You're probably sick of seeing this shirt. This is the 3rd day in a row. Last week I had no idea what day it was. It was actually the 7th. Today's the 21st because I recorded all of these on the 7th. So the 7th and then the 14th, and today's the 21st. So this will be the 3rd video I've done. Now this is a mostly Dollar Tree, but I did get some Hobby Lobby stuff. So I wanted to show you these I bought for my grandkids. They're just little cute little boxes that they can paint, and I got them each one. This one has a little more decoration to it, where this one's flat. So those will be for them. And then my grandkids adore pom-poms. But now these pom-poms are pretty nice, and I'm thinking of putting these aside for some crafts I do for you guys. So I think that's what we're going to do. And this was a little toy I bought my granddaughter, and I forgot I bought it for her, so I got to give that to her today. And then I got them some little cards for teaching the 3-year-old. No, this is mostly for the 3-year-old. For little, I homeschooled his sister, and we're kind of working with him a little bit too. And then my granddaughter picked out these butterfly gems because she's 6, and they've got, oh no, these are hearts and flowers and little round ones. And I thought they were butterfly. Yeah, here's some butterflies. So those, she picked those out. I got them these cute little Halloween necklaces. They look like bones and skulls. They're cute. Kind of a Mardi Gras necklace, but for Halloween. And if I can think of something crafty, I'll do that. I always like to have a lot of fun stickers to put on packages when I ship them off to my friends. I got a couple, excuse me, a couple wreaths I want to try. Whoops, I just knocked the camera. A couple wreaths, and for what is it, $1.25. I got 3 different wreaths. So I've got a few things I want to do for you guys. And then this is for painting. I gave one of these to my grandson, so I thought I'd pick up a new one. It's just really handy when you're painting. Now that's the end of the Dollar Tree. Now here's the Hobby Lobby. I couldn't resist this cute little guy. I think they were 40 or 50% off. And then I also got the little hats, and we're going to do something fun with these. I'm not sure what yet, but we'll do something fun with those. And then cobalt blue beads on 50%. They're just absolutely stunning. They look prettier in person. The camera is making them washed out. In person, they're so dark blue you can barely tell they're blue. And they don't seem as uneven in person either. It's just really weird. See, that's what they look like in person. And then I got these blue. Now again, these are cobalt blue. When I hold them back, you can kind of see the color better. And oh, and the last 2 videos I commented I couldn't get these. Well, I guess I'd gotten them this shopping trip. I have 2 packages of the looped head pins and 2 packages of the head pins. So now I won't need to, with all the findings I've bought, I'll be good. And I don't think the grandkids will have to raid my stuff anytime soon. These are, they say sequins, but they're very interesting. They're little letters. And I thought those were a lot of fun. Not sure what I'll do with them yet, but I thought those were fun. And these were on clearance for 24 cents. So I restrained myself. I only got 2 of them, but we'll use them for a project, another thing. Then they had this on clearance, and I used to do Fimo clay all the time, and I'd like to get back to it. Now this is kind of a reddish pink, and it was 82 cents, and this is the actual, oh, what's the name brand? I always forget it. Sculpey. This is Sculpey. I think I got 2 Sculpey. They're normally $3.59. Got them both for 82 cents each. These here were $3.99. I got them for 82. They're Fimo. That's another name brand. I got kind of a fluorescent yellowish green. And then I got this pale yellow. And then the rest of these are a brand I'd never heard of. They're normally $1.49, and I got them for 39 cents. I got a red. This looks like a silver. Does it have the color on it? It says smoke, but it's got like a silver. It looks like a silver or a gray. And then I got a light blue. Holding them back seems to help. A green. And this is a lavender-ish color. And those were all 37 cents. And I already have a bunch of Fimo clay, so those will be a nice addition. And I do believe that's everything I had to show you. I don't know if I showed you this stuff I picked up. So we'll go through some of this. I don't think I showed you this. This was a bag I bought recently at an antique shop or a thrift store. I don't remember where I got it. But all kinds of stuff. Stickers, little embellishments, some bottle caps. There were some other bottle caps too. I picked this up for literally a couple bucks. I got I was needing these yesterday. I can pull those out. And I needed those for a project. And I got some flower ones too. So I'll put those aside and we can still use it. Little patches. Little bows. I don't even know what all's in here. Stickers. Mickey Mouse. This is a flower. And these are some flowers. And some little Mickey Mouse stickers. They look almost fuzzy. I thought these were awesome. They're little miniature records, and I know I got a bunch of them. Here's a couple little patches, a hot dog and a penguin, kind of random. More little records. Some ribbon that says love. And this is a thrift store we go to where, oh, here's some, these are tacks. This is Hobby Lobby. Decorative tacks. I'm sure there are a lot more today. This is a thrift store we found where I can get stuff dirt cheap. I'll just bring a big pile up there and she'll give it to me for almost nothing. And now she doesn't always have stuff. So we haven't been in a few weeks, so we'll probably go next week because that's where, see, I was looking for these yesterday and I knew I had some, but I didn't know where they were. Little soda cans. And see, I got 2 more of the records. So some of these will get sold on Etsy. Because I think some people would probably love these little miniatures. And some ribbon. And some little brats in different little pin backs. All different kinds of little pin backs here. There's the brat doll. I think those are the, I don't know what those are. They look like those little brat dolls. They could be something else. And then this is a little hair clip. And some little flowers. And a whole bunch more of little pins and some more little brads. And then over here, I know I have another box. Yeah, this all came with it too. And I got all of these different bottle caps. These are like Disney princesses. And these Pixie, Tinkerbell. These are Winnie the Pooh. And more Winnie the Pooh. And Disney. And some princesses, a couple loose ones down in the box. And I got all of this for just a couple bucks. Little princess ribbon too. But that's a bunch of stuff I've just had on my workbench that I also picked up weeks ago. And like I said, this is like a little honey hole, but it's a very random honey hole. Like I might go and find nothing. And then I go in 2 weeks or a month, and I get a big shoebox full of stuff for $2 or $3. So it's just, she was having jewelry for a while, but lately she's been putting her jewelry in bags, and it's just too much money. She kind of got on the bandwagon where throw it all in a jar for $20. But unfortunately, when it's like Mardi Gras beads, they're glued onto the string and they're worthless. And people like to shove those in there along with cheap jewelry. And then there's 1 or 2 nice things, but it's not worth the price. So maybe she'll eventually go back to her individual jewelry. If she still only has those bags, I may talk to her and say, look, if you just call me when you have a bunch of jewelry, I'll come buy it for $1 or $2 each. But, you know, so that might be over. I was getting some pretty nice pieces of jewelry for $1 or $2 from her. But overall, I got a lot of fun stuff, and this will probably be my last haul for a little bit. I've done this over 3 weeks now. In 2 more weeks, I may have gone and done something else. But for now, this is my last video, and then I'm hoping that you know, maybe by the time this one comes out, we'll have found another little fun thing of crafting materials. Now, jewelry I do put on my jewelry haul video, but this is crafting supplies, so that will be done on this channel. because it's not the same. People that watch that channel want to see me open jewelry boxes or see bags of jewelry or individual jewelry I've bought. So this will be for this channel. The crafts in that channel will be for the jewelry hauls, and that's just Steffi's Beads and Baubles jewelry hauls, I believe. I will be doing some Fimo clay stuff. I used to do it all the time and loved it, and so I really want to get back into being creative and having fun. But like I said, my new tutorials will be done differently. No more hour-long videos, no more 45-minute videos. I'll make the item, I'll show you all the materials and tell you basically how I did it, but I will photograph all the different steps unless something has to be photographed as a video for you to understand how to do it. If it's something I've never done before, then I'll do a little video in the video but then I send you over to the blog for the tutorial. So many of the things I've done on other videos, so I may link other videos in the description box to send you over to see the steps that you need to know, like say on the ornaments and stuff. But anyway, that will be what's going on. I've got 3 or 4 projects right now on my table, just waiting for the last 2 items to come in the mail, and they should be here by next week, Monday or Tuesday. But between now and then, I've got a couple other projects I can do. So I'm hoping to have my first project done over this next few days and out no later than Monday, which would be, I'm going to look this time because I look like an idiot in that one video. Today is the 7th as I record this. You'll be seeing it on the 21st. So the stuff I ordered should be here by the 11th. So you should have seen a few of those videos by now. I'm hoping to do 1 video a week of a craft of some kind or jewelry, and then 1 video a week of an ornament, and then these as they come along. So I'll be back soon. We're up to 12 minutes. I want to get this cut off. I love you guys so much. I really appreciate you. You have no idea. You've stuck with me through thick and thin, and my channel's kind of gone up and down, but I still enjoy being here, and I still enjoy making things and talking to you guys. So I'll be back soon. And I thank you again. Bye.